Oh my God! Let's see kung ano yung tatlong sticks ni Elaine. Elaine, may jowa ka?
Wala po.
Sure?
When? Hindi nga.
Sure.
Meron daw nagkakagusto sa'yo. Oh, Elaine, ayan na! Hindi mo, bet? Pero Elaine, just try to follow the stick. Just try. Parang bigyan mo siya ng chance somehow.
Hindi pa.
Test the waters. Don't close your door entirely.
Hindi pa.
Yes, oo. Pero alam mo na kung sino siya. Alam mo na kung sino siya.
Kino?
Yes.
Hindi ko alam kung sino eh.
Pero choose the best one for you and keep that person.
Dami-dami.
Okay.
Don't close your door entirely. Okay? Pangalawa, Elaine, hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin nito sa'yo, pero have trust and have good friends wisdom. So maybe kapag meron kang problema,
Have trust, magtiwala
you can run into a friend for advice. So kung anong advice ibigay yung friend mo sa'yo, follow it. Kasi that person has good intentions for you. Alright? So ayan. Ito yung last. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung maganda or pangit. Pero let's see. You will suffer through extravagance.
Ano yun?
Extravagance means fortune, yaman, comfortability. Hindi ka pa masyadong content kung anong meron ka. Yeah, you always wish for more. You are ambitious. Ganon. Kumbaga, lagi kang hindi nakakontento. So siguro the key there, Elaine, is you need to know how to be content and when to be content. Or else, this will happen.
Possible naman
Ano yung problem?
suffer ko kung hindi ako content.
Like, you always aim for more kahit nane-neglect mo na yung mga nasa harapan mo. Ganon. Kumbaga,
Dami
Elaine,
ng gasto.
yung
Daming
totoong
gastos.
yaman is yung mga hindi mo masyadong napapansin.
Oo.
Ganon ang ibig sabihin. Hindi porket marami kang pera, masaya ka. Ganon. Or comfortable ka sa buhay mo, masaya. That's what it means. Am I making sense? Yeah.